2017 Jeep Patriot. If you're looking for a budget-friendly SUV that you can take off-road, the 2017 Jeep Patriot is one of the more affordable choices. However, if you spend most of your time on-road, other compact SUVs will serve you better in terms of reliability, comfort, and safety. Is the Jeep Patriot a good SUV? The Jeep Patriot offers little to recommend it beyond a low starting price. A low price can be a good thing, unless everything else about the vehicle is low too. We can't recommend the Patriot based on its powertrain. Its base 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine has slow off-the-line power and adds to the Patriot's above-average road noise. The available 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine has more power, though it's still loud and labors to accelerate quickly. Further, none of the three transmissions, the standard 5-speed manual, the available 6-speed automatic, or the available continuously variable transmission, CVT, do much to enhance engine performance. The CVT is a drag on both engines, while the 6-speed automatic only mildly improves their performances. The interior doesn't fare any better. With just 23 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seat, the Patriot's trifling cargo hold doesn't measure up against its competitors. The passenger space is best described as utilitarian. The infotainment system is basic. Seating is cramped, especially in the back, where 3 adults can fit, but not comfortably. Additionally, this Jeep isn't forecast to hold up well. J.D. Power and Associates reports that the Patriot is expected to be less dependable than most vehicles on the road. The Patriot isn't the only compact SUV with this issue, but its main competitors, the Kia Sportage and Honda CR-V, have above-average predicted reliability ratings. Finally, the Patriot suffers from middling performance in front and rollover crash tests. As for safety equipment, only the basics, like side curtain airbags and a rollover sensor, are standard. Should I buy the Jeep Patriot? The Jeep Patriot only makes sense if you want a Jeep and you're on a tight budget, in which case you might consider the Jeep Renegade, which is $45 less. Otherwise, it's not a good value. If you're considering the Patriot specifically for its off-roading abilities, be aware that building a rail-rated Patriot will run you at least $22,500. With this price increase, it's worth taking a look at the Jeep Wrangler, Jeep Cherokee, or Jeep Renegade instead. All three offer better off-road prowess and/or amenities. If you're planning to drive mainly on-road, there are much better, albeit pricier, options. With the starting price of $18,040, the Patriot undercuts the $22,990 starting price of the Kia Sportage by almost $5,000. The Bass Patriot, however, lacks a lot of the Sportage's basic features, including a rear-view camera, automatic headlights, steering wheel-mounted controls, daytime running lights, air conditioning, power windows and locks, and keyless access. You'll need to spend at least $22,540 to get similar equipment in the Patriot, and you're still left with a less powerful engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. There's a $6,000 difference between the Patriot and the Honda CR-V, $24,045. The CR-V, too, has a more powerful engine, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder with 188 horsepower, compared to the Jeep's 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 158 horsepower. Additionally, the CR-V has almost 40% more cargo space, as well as better fuel economy figures. There's also the Patriot's below-average predicted reliability rating to consider. Competitors like the Kia Sportage and Honda CR-V are predicted to hold up better over the long term, meaning fewer trips to the mechanic. Also, the Sportage adds a 10-year powertrain warranty, while the Patriot's is only for 3 years. The Jeep Patriot may seem appealing from a price standpoint, but its lack of overall value means you're probably better off spending more for a better compact SUV. How much does the Jeep Patriot cost? The 2017 Jeep Patriot has a starting price of $18,040. That low price is possible because it lacks basic features like air conditioning and power windows, though it does have Bluetooth and satellite radio. A reasonably equipped version costs $22,540, which puts the Patriot on more equal footing with compact SUVs like the Kia Sportage. For that money, you get basic features like air conditioning, as well as a leather steering wheel with audio controls, reclining rear seats, a 115-volt outlet, remote start, when outfitted with the continuously variable transmission, and remote keyless entry.